Well, hello there and welcome back. Another week, another video. Or maybe it's first time for you here. Don't know, but today we'll be making some delicious oven chicken and my all-time favorite salad. And here we go, straight into the business, because we are hungry. And you need a baking dish, then some chicken tenderloin, and first thing what you wanna do is spread some olive oil in there. And next thing, if you have watched my other videos, you probably knew that this one was coming. And it's garlic. We grate one solo garlic in there. And of course, if you don't like garlic, you don't have to use it this much or at all, but I don't think that's a good choice. So put some garlic and put lots of it. And of course, we want some good flavors, and we season this with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then we add some cooking cream, exactly 1 deciliter of it. I think that's probably like 0.4 cups if you're using American scales. At least it's in America. I don't know where other parts in the world is it. But because I'm doing this from Europe, from Finland actually, we use deciliters. And apparently we also use bare hands to mix this. Of course, if you don't want to get your hands dirty, you can use fork or something, but bare hand works just fine. And now that we are using oven to cook this chicken, we have all the time in the world to prepare our salad. Meanwhile, the chicken is in the oven. So we put it in the oven for half an hour. Oh my god, these shaky camera skills. I don't know, do I have to fire that camera guy or what? We need some stability there. But as I was saying, we put it in the oven for about 30 minutes and the temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. It's about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And while I'm cutting those tomatoes, let's do a little recap here for the chicken. So you need 600 grams of chicken tenderloin, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 grated big solo garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then cooking cream, 1 deciliter, and put them in the oven for about 30 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. 400 Fahrenheit, as you can see. And there, first tomato has been sliced and diced, and I think we have to quicken the pace a bit here and there, so this won't be so boring and dull. And there, we slow it a bit. And actually this tomato slicing is quite difficult for me, at least those end parts, and I don't know if you saw the first tomato, how I sliced it. Probably Gordon Ramsay would yell me out of his kitchen if he saw that style, but let's not talk about that anymore, because now we will have to focus on making this salad. And as I told you in the beginning, this is by far the most delicious salad that I have made. But actually this is quite simple. This is ridiculously simple salad to make, but it's mouth-watering. And as you see, the basis of this salad is tomato. You slice and dice it and put it in the bowl. And then we do exactly the same to mozzarella cheese. And we add also that into the bowl. I myself call this tomato mozzarella salad, and actually if you are familiar with caprese salad, you probably noticed that this is quite a similar salad as that. Maybe the structure is a bit different because we sliced and diced those tomatoes and mozzarellas there. But anyway, this is almost the same as caprese salad. And anyway, the most important thing is that this is freaking simple and super delicious. And as you probably saw it, we added some, actually not some, but a lot of fresh basil there among the salad and some olive oil. And the next thing we do is we take a lemon and cut it in the half. And we squeeze the juices of that half a lemon in there among our salad. And this will give us nice acidity and a little spark of that lemony taste. And actually that lemon taste is super important ingredient to the whole taste of this salad, so don't skip this phase. And then we add a little bit of salt in there, and actually this is optional because I know that all of you don't like the idea of salt in salad, but don't skip this one. This is black pepper and we put 1 tablespoon of it in there. That's super important for the flavor of this salad. And there you go, our salad is ready. It is full, it is complete. I think we should call it the world's best salad. Nothing more, nothing less. Well, I have to admit that it is a bit overflowing name for it. But the point is that it is delicious. At least I like it. I challenge you to test it. And again, a bit shaky, our cameraman is on fire. At least the focus is on point. And our chicken is beginning to be ready. So let's take it off the oven. So after half an hour in the oven, this is what it looks like. And there's a little bit of closer look of our fresh salad. And actually, I have learned that some people are afraid of cooking chicken in the oven because of the uncertainty that is it well cooked or not. In my experience, when you cook chicken, tenderloin, chicken thighs, chicken fillets, which is about this thick, you can use heat of 200 Celsius, it's about that 400 Fahrenheit, and when you keep it in the oven for about 30 minutes, I can say that you have a moist, good, well cooked chicken. And that's it. But hey, now we are apparently already on the plate. So check this out. Fresh rye bread with butter. Tell me in the comments, is rye bread popular in your country? Because in my country it is very popular and we eat it often. I love it. But leave it in the comments. Tell me in the comments, is it popular in your country? And meanwhile I'm stacking the dish on the plate. Let's do a little recap for the salad. So you need 4 tomatoes, 125 grams of mozzarella, lots of basil, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a lemon, which we squeeze into the salad, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and the salt is optional. Don't use it if you don't like. And there we have it, full dish on a plate. Pretty healthy one. What do you think? Fresh tomato mozzarella salad, I mean the world's best salad. Some delicious oven chicken and fresh rye bread with butter. And the last thing we do is to finish it with squeezed lemon juice. So, thank you for joining me in this video and I think we'll see you on the next one. So, bye bye.